Hello, dear clients. So first of all, I really apologize. Um, uh, we were not able to catch up, no, with the 500,000 temporary plan as I explained in the previous video. So I will be giving you alternatives, but this time these plans are actually good plans because they are plans with investments. So the good thing ani is comparing to the previous plan I gave you, katumanggod siya, wala to siya savings. So if something happens to you, nothing happens to you within a year, technically the one you paid for is wala na sad to siya, no? Kay temporary plan ramanggod siya. And this one is a plan with investment. So basically, a part of your payment is given to our mutual fund managers where they are in charge, to invest your money. And I actually placed your funds in the global funds because it is the funds right now that is very well performing, no? Now, I will be offering you three types but two categories of plans lang siya. So, for example, let's start with the FlexiLink. So, mo ni ang pinaka-minimum yun ni FlexiLink, which is 250,000 na lang yun siya. I tried to create a plan that is 500,000 pero dili na siya pwede. So 250 lang yun yung pinaka minimum and then giada lang na ko critical illness para it functions the same with the previous plan I gave you. But the only difference nila is kato either or man to, diba, whichever comes first. This one is additional gid siya. So if for example, let's say nasakit ta, we get to claim 500,000 for the critical illness, our death benefit of 250,000 is still the same. By the way, this is for age 29 female, no, nga client. So this is pwede for male or female and then mao ni siya ang iyang um proposed cost. So again, this plan is um if mauna ang death, naatay 250. And then if let's say, of course, makagamit raman ta sa death and CIB if mauna gyud si CIB, no? So, na siya living na benefit, which is critical illness benefit. 1,885 for the year na siya. Okay? Now, for your life insurance lang, since it is with investment, 250,000 lang siya ang death benefit, which is 7,465 in a year. So, if we total it up, that's 2,337.50 per quarter or ato na siya i-divide by 3. 2,337.50 divided by 3, that's only 779,000 in a month. No? So, nisaka lang siya mga 200 pesos monthly sa kato atong estimate nga 500 lang in the previous plan. Pero wala to siya investment. Kani siya is with investment. However, if ganahan ka mo focus lang, wala na lang kay critical illness, just life insurance and death benefit or death benefit and investment lang, 7,465 divided by 12, it's only 622 per month. So actually, mga 100 pesos are imong gi-add for the critical illness benefit, which is at least separate man sila nga benefit. So tulo na imong benefits ani, the death benefit of 250,000 and the critical illness benefit of 500,000 and the investments. So adto ta sa investments. So, sa investment is, so by the way, mo ni siya, no? Same ra gihapon sa imong critical illness benefit atong sa previous plan that I gave you, 36 gihapon kabuok, and increasing gihapon siya every 5 years. So, the same atong temporary plan that I gave you, na siya increase every 5 years, that's because of the CIB nga component. So, kanisad siya is, naapod siya component. Now, if ever, let's say, something happens to you, just like my client nga nagka-thyroid cancer after 2 years of owning the plan, no? So, was she still required to pay on her third year? Wala na. Kaya na-claim naman ang critical illness benefit. But, ang iyahang death benefit, nagyapon. Kay separate man sila nga benefit. So, kana siya, 1,885 for the first 5 years annually. 6 to 10th year, 2,365 na siya annually. So, gamay na gyud kayo ng increase niya. Annual man gihapon na iyang arrangement. Now, if you total that up, di na siya kabot og 500,000. So, just in case maigot ta on our 20th year, technically we're not anymore required to pay for the critical illness benefit. However, there are cases wherein mo request nga pwede ko mo-apply og balik what if maigo ko og another critical illness. We can do so after 2 years pa. And then after 2 years, that's another price na pod because you are of the different age. It could also be rated ka because you already have an existing illness nga naka-record. So naagyapon chances because we have clients nga na-approve gihapon man. Basta naalay clearance from the doctor na healthy na siya ato na sakit. So it could be omitted lang to siya nga sickness if it happens again, rated ang price cause na naman kay history of sakit, or naagi chances nga purely decline yun if shown in the records na naapay na bilin from that sickness. However, the good news is nagyapon ang death benefit and the investment because separate man sila na mga benefits. Okay? Now, the last one is the funds. Now, I place your fund in Peso Global Tech Growth Fund because that is the plan manggod nga it's really performing well. It's investing in Apple, Google, Amazon, even those businesses ni Elon Musk, no, kay it's Peso Global Tech Growth Fund. That means mga technology companies ang iyahang gi-investan. Okay? Now, if you see the pricing, even on the first year, na ano siya fund value. Plus, if simba kukuha unta ni Lord, so 250 plus the funds. So, kanitanan money ni mo, dear, minus your withdrawals, mo yung mahatag sa imong family. No? Now, it's also withdrawable on your own needs or when the time is needed, or sorry, when the funds are needed rather. So, for example, let's say, need nimo ang money at 40 years old na kay 91,000. Pwede ra gyud ka mo withdraw og 80% of that because at least si 20% siya manggod ang mobayad sa imong plan. So ang goal ra gyud or ang rule ni Sun FlexiLink and even ni MaxiLink dear is na lang gyud available nga funds. Okay? Sa imuhang portal kay mo manggod iyang kuhaan sa charges. Alright? Kay ang goal manggod nato is um, mabuhi siya because your funds are available. So I have clients nga 2 years wala nakabayad but because dako ilang napundo nga funds, the charges, the death benefit are still present. The CIB is still active because iyang funds ang nagbayad for that plan despite wala nakabayad. But of course, if natay projection sa atong goal sa funds, I would really suggest na naagid tay consistent payment para naagid siya sulod sa funds. So kanilang siya pay for life gini siya no kay technically kuan man good para makabarato ta payable for life gid siya. Same ra gihapon sa katong imong old nga chosen plan kay payment to until 75 kani at least age 88 siya kutob. No, so mas taas siya og plan. And of course, imba ko mawala na sa kalibutan, we don't need to pay anymore naman pod. No? So, at least kani siya na siya fund value in case need gud nimo ang money, you can withdraw and then imo lang siyang ulian ra gyud kay dapat na ara sulod ang funds. Okay? Now for MaxiLink, same ra gyud siya og behavior. The only difference lang is pay for life gihapon siya, same ra. Ang minimum lang ani niya is 700,000. Mao nang medyo more expensive siya sa katong 700 per month. Kani siya mo range siya og 1,000 to 1,500 per month if mag-add ta sa critical illness benefit. So in your case, that's 3,750.25 divided by 3, that's 1 to 50. For 700,000 coverage, kay di ba 200% man siya of face amount. And the 700,000 critical illness benefit. So, di ba 1 to 50 man siya, no? Minus 772, nara sa around 478 additional nga pesos, but higher imo ang death benefit and critical illness. So, 700,000 death benefit, 700,000 critical illness benefit. So, mas dako lang siya. That's the only difference. No, kani siya na lang yun siya minimum na amount. But, same rules apply. Mo increase siya every 5 years tungod sa critical illness benefit. But if you don't want to add critical illness benefit, wala ra siya increase. Steady payments ra gyud siya, which is kaning si 12,362 so mga 1,000 monthly siya. No? Yeah, that's just 500 per sweldo. Right? Kung 1 to 50 ka, additional to 50 lang, so pila man na siya per sweldo. Gamay ra gyud kay siya and you already have an investment. no? So, sayang ba? And of course, the rule of investment is the earlier we start and the bigger amount we put, mas dako gid siya og potential growth in the future. So, if you notice, the projected fund value is 13.8 million. Difference po din niya with FlexiLink is si FlexiLink, 88 years old, kani siya 100 years old. Of course, blessing na kayo na makaabot ang even 88 years old, no, or even 75. So, at least no na natin mapamana sa atong mga anak. So, same rules, you can change your beneficiaries along the way, especially if we get married, we have kids, we can always change our beneficiary. No, so actually, if I would have to choose, I would let you get the permanent plan. Kaya at least na siya investment na component. Compared atong 500 per month, gamay na lang kayo mong i-add, walay investment, walay savings. But kani is fixed good siya. Kato, di lang kakabayad og 1 month or quarter, cancel na dahil ng plan. But kani, imong funds ang motabang sa imuha. So I would really suggest you go for either si Flexi or si Maxi Link. Now, ang kani akong third nga gibuhat, gipatasan na nako gamay, instead of 250, gi 300,000 lang nako. But actually, gamay ra gyud siya difference. Kato 2,337, kani siya 2,710. Additional lang siya sa death benefit. So, ang nakanindot mo gud ni Maxi Link, guys, no, kay 700,000 na iyang death benefit, nag-add lang kag gamay lang yun from the quarterly payments. Imo lang yun siyang i-buy monthly, ipersweldo para mas afford siya. And if you come to look at the price, 300,000 running nga, si FlexiLink 2,700 na quarterly, pero si Maxi Prime, that's actually only 3,750. So 1,000 additional lang per quarter. But dako na kayo siya og growth sa imong death benefit, which is 700,000. It's 400,000 more. Yeah, 1,000 lang imong gi-add, no? Murag sacrifice lang gyud imong 1,000 in a quarter pag yun. So i-divide by 3, 300 pesos ra gyud imong gi-add per month. 'Di ba? So I would suggest you get the Sun Max Link 100. Mas okay yun ni siya na plan. Okay? So, if you have questions, please put in the chat box or you can message me, no, sa ato ang um, personal message. Okay? Thank you. Bye!